Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are swapping out the interior dome lights, the rear cargo area light, and the license plate lights. This whole project costs just under $30 and will highly improve the lighting and visibility inside your vehicle. Alright, so the removal process is going to be pretty straightforward. We're just going to need a plastic pry bar and a small flathead screwdriver. And moving on to light, we're gonna pop that out. There's the two bulbs right there. We can take those out and swap those. Alright, so here are the three dome lights, two in the front, one in the rear middle, and then these are the lights from the mirror under the sun visors. They didn't have any LED replacements for these ones at Walmart, so I'm just gonna stick those back while I look for some of those. But the DE3175 is the LED replacement for the map lights, or the dome lights, whatever you want to call them. So we have this uninstalled. We're going to put our new lights in. I have a very difficult time getting these in, so I have to use a set of pliers. And I put one side in, and then scoot the other side in, and then I'm grabbing them very, very lightly, but helps me adjust it. And then with these ones, you just have to make sure that the LED chips are facing down, so that way once we plug it in, it's actually going to work. Alright, so we swapped the one bulb, and so just an example, keys off, doors are closed. You can't tell, but it's flickering so light. Oh, you can actually see it. It's trying to come on. But, so, same thing. Open the door, both come on, no problem, nice and bright. Close the door, lock the door, they turn off. So we don't even have to turn on the car, we just have to power on and they turn on, no problem. So it's a little annoying, but I think it'll work. And a quick correction, because I turned out that I was doing this completely wrong. To change the rear dome light, you just stick a screwdriver in there, and then you can pop that out and change the bulb. You do not remove this entire thing, because those retaining clips that I was having a hard time with don't really necessarily go back in. But alright, so we got our new LED 194 size-ish bulbs. So we're gonna stick a screwdriver in there. Look, baby. There we go. Pop out the old one. I'm just gonna take this bulb out and replace it with one of these. How to change the license plate lights. You're going to get on these brackets right here, give them a push to the left, and then they will pop out, and there's a little hook, and then it's as simple as just twisting this out, changing the bulb. Then this hinge part is going to go back in first, and then you kind of push it and let it slide back over to the right. To wrap up this video, we're going to look at some before and after photos inside the car. I had taken videos, but my GoPro is not able to capture any image in a low light setting without additional light added. So the videos didn't turn out very well. They weren't a great comparison. These photos are a lot better of a comparison. Shows you the difference upgrading to LED interior lights versus the stock halogen lights. I just want to thank you guys all for taking the time to watch the video, and we'll see you on the next one.